It's science time with Hoover and Sparrow.
Roller coaster. All of these people are waiting in line for the roller coaster. Most of them have ridden on lots of roller coasters. Some of them have only ridden on a roller coaster once or twice. At least one of them has ever ridden on a roller coaster before, ever. The roller coaster is very big and very noisy. You must be tall enough to ride it, but sometimes even those who are tall enough decide they don't want to. Lots of people change their mind about riding the roller coaster at the very last minute. Finally, it is time to get into the cars. The operator says, "Load 'em up, 2 to a seat." When everyone is buckled in, the operator rings a bell, and then he releases the brake. The train jerks forward on the tracks. Now it is too late for anyone to change their mind. Slowly, the train is pulled up the hill by a chain. Clickety-clackety, clickety-clackety, up, 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 and then... whoosh! Most people scream, some people can't make a sound, and one person can't even open her eyes. The train zips. It zooms. It dips and dives. And goes all the way around. Now the ride is over. Most of these people are dizzy. Some of them have wobbly knees, but at least one of them is planning to ride the roller coaster again. Right now.
A rough ride, Mrs. Hoover.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness.
You know what? What would be better than riding a roller coaster for me?
Yeah.
Might be building one.
Oh, yeah. Me too. Me too. Well, I'm glad you could join us, though, for the roller coaster story. So today for our challenge is going to be building a roller coaster.
So there's all kinds of materials that you probably have at home to design your roller coaster. Like maybe for my roller coaster car, I could use a marble or a ping pong ball. Marble or a ping pong ball.
Maybe you have a pool noodle around at home, or even this is pipe insulation too. You might have some of that at home for the track.
Yeah, and if you can't find those things, maybe you have some fun dough. Or Play-Doh that you could put on maybe you have a cookie sheet or a cutting board and make your track that way.
Mm-hmm. Some of you might even have some cardboard tubing that you can have mom or dad help you cut, and you can make your track that way.
I bet you could even use straws.
Oh yeah, you could.
So you could make it like on a surface like this, or you could build it from the bottom up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We would love to see those. If you're in my class and you design a really cool roller coaster, you can upload your pictures or video of your roller coaster to Class Dojo.
And my class could do class tag. Or you could even send a message or a comment on this video.
And we hope you enjoyed the ride. See you next time.
Bye.